Hi friends, Lakshmi Deepak back here. And okay, sorry for inconvenience in my last video where there is some audio mismatches. I didn't realize that till once it is live. And today we will see a bit hands on the same concepts now. I'm just opening a developer console. And okay, I'll create a new components. I don't want to any disturbance. I parallelly will explain what we did in the last time. Now you can see I'm just creating a new component. Let me close all this. So I'm just creating a new component, lightning component, and YouTube demo 3 is my component name. And here nothing I will do. I'm just gonna display I'm from component 3. I'm making my component name as a comment and nothing much. So I just say okay. Now my question is how to check out the output of the component. If we want to check out any output of any component, we need to create an application for that related application. So now I'm going to create a new application, lightning application, which is tagged under app underscore YouTube demo 3. Now we can see, and here is the list, and now I'm going to access YouTube application. If I say a preview, if you say I'm preview in and consider in component you won't get any preview, in application you will get a preview. So we got a preview that I'm YouTube demo 3 application. So now my question is I want to access something from the component of YouTube demo 3. So all I need to put is it's C colon the name of the component and with the close tags. That's all we need to take. So now I'm from YouTube demo 3 component. So let me clear it out by making this a bit component. Now you can see I'm YouTube demo 3. Now my question is I need to pass some of the variables, or what I can say that I need to pass input attributes. Of component. So for input attribute you have a tag called aura attribute name, and I'm putting emp name, and I'm taking a type, and we have to declare which type of the input it is, and it's a string top format. I'm just putting with a close tag. So now my question is how to access the component. Accessing is component of from inside any lightning component. I can say this is an attribute. Attribute is nothing but a variable. So how you can access the variable values? All you need to put employee name. Employee name is, it should be a flower prices formula expression with tagged with followed by v dot. V always represent the lightning component input variable. I mean v is nothing but a variable. So you can access v and the name of the variable to access the data of the element. To access data of element. So let me close out. Oh shit. br, yeah. Now if you see, and we have another attribute called default. Default I'm putting Deepak. By default you can see an output called Lakshmi Deepak. Employee name is Lakshmi Deepak. Now see, now you can see employee name is Lakshmi Deepak, where actually we are getting a default value from the component. So now my question is, now I will update my employee name from the app variable. So all we need to pass a variable, and I need to put and I'm updated, and I'm updated is my name now. So what exactly you can see, it is updated with I am updated. Let me clarify it to something like so I am updated is my employee name now. If I remove anything, if I remove this parameter, it will take a default value. It means whatever input variable you are passing, it is overriding the default one. So now my question is, if I don't want to pass a static value, even you can say this I am updated is a dynamic. I want to pass something more update. What I can do, I will initialize the input at my component level, and here is the problem on, I can say emp type equal to string. So all I can do is I will pass this emp as an input attribute. I'll pass this as an input attribute v.emp for the component from application level. So now here you can see nothing you will get. All you need to pass the same way you provided YouTube, and here I can say that Deepak. So now another issue is that now I consider if it is emp.emp v.emp is not null, then only I need to display employee name. Otherwise I need to display employee not exists. All we have the conditional if called render if, or render if is true equal to control Z v.emp name not equals to null. I need to display when emp not equal to null, otherwise I need to display. This is one type of rendering. There is another way of also use. You can use employees not exist with this name. So if I have input attribute, then only I will get an update. Otherwise I will get a default status called employee does not exist. So if I put my what is the attribute I am using, emp. If I put my emp here, if you see, control set shit, okay, emp equal to. So now you can see this is a conditional display of a data using Aura component. So what happening? Let me put emp equal to Lakshmi Deepak. Now you can see this is how the conditional data will exist. I'm just recapping. All I did, I declared some input attribute with as a name of emp name, and I just accessed the YouTube component demo 3 with a C colon, and I just passed input attribute. I declared another app level input attributes. I mean component attributes is named as emp. I'm using URL to pass it Lakshmi Deepak. And this was the second tutorial we are following now, and hopefully we have so many tutorials in a short span of time. And before going for a quick updates, please subscribe my channel and hit a like button once you can. Thank you for watching. Have a great time. Bye bye.